Hello, and thank you guys so much for tuning in today to the iNaturalBody channel. This is Sonia coming to you with another video. I love making bath bombs. I don't know what it is about it. It could be that it reminds me so much of being in the kitchen and preparing something for my family, more so than the cold processed soap making format. But with bath bombs, you get to be so creative, and don't get me wrong, you can be just as creative in cold processed soap making as well. But what I love about bath bombs is that I can use some simple tools like my pre-owned KitchenAid mixer and my repurposed coffee grinder to come up with some unbelievable bath products. In this video, I'm just sharing with you some of the things that I've incorporated into bath bombs in the past, to include freshly ground rose petals. And I've had these for some time because I did another video way back, I don't remember when, on how you dry out the rose petals. And so I'm just using some of those rose petals to come up with some new bath bombs. So in this video, I'm just sharing that with you. Another ingredient that I use in making bath bombs are dried greens. I think if I remember correctly, I may have bought like some what do you call it? It's the smoothie mix type thing that you don't have to make a smoothie with it per se. You can just add it to water and it's your dried greens. Well, I have a container of that in my kitchen. I took some of it into a mason jar and I wanted to incorporate it into a bath bomb so that I could get like a full body treatment from it, right? Not only am I ingesting it, but I wanted to get an herbal bath treatment that included the dried greens. So one way that I thought to do that was to incorporate it in a bath bomb and enjoy a bath one night, specifically an herbal bath. So I hope you enjoy this video. It pretty much is self-explanatory. It will go through a lot. From time to time I'll chime in with some things that I want to share with you, so enjoy. What I have learned most when making any type of cosmetic or bath product is being prepared is key. So the little 5 or 6 minutes that it may take for you to prepare your work area with all of the items that you'll be using, that is so important because you're ahead of the game. So if anything happens, you're prepared. One of the things that I like to do to get prepared is always covering my work surface. And here I've used carpenter's paper. I purchased it from Home Depot. It comes in a massive roll, so I know that I won't be purchasing that again for some time. Additionally, a pastry brush is something that helps me to kind of stay tidy around the work area, and when I make a small spill of something dry, I can easily sweep it down or sweep it into some container that I have right beneath my workstation. Now, something also that I keep nearby, as you guys can see here in the video, is a towel, and that's right nearby, something that I can grab immediately if need be. So being prepared, taking those few extra minutes before you get started, is one of the best tips that I can give you. Now, everyone's different when they're working. As for me, I try to make a lot of the paper products, like the labels, before I actually sit down to make the actual product. And I shared with you guys in an earlier video how you can utilize Avery.com. Yes, Avery.com to make your labels for free and print them out on regular plain 8.5 by 11 paper, whatever color paper you have, you can print them out at home. Here I thought I was going to use my plain wrapping system, and then I actually decide not to use it. But keep in mind, you don't have to have such an exhaustive setup as I do. You can get away with a heat gun and a heat sealer, and that can definitely get the job done also to package your products. Real quickly, another tip in this aspect of the video is my photograph setup, and I hope you can see it there. So you have to stay organized when working with bath bombs, especially when you're making different kinds like I did here. I made like 3 different kinds of bath bombs. Those little cupcake dividers holders help me to keep everything divided and everything in order. Another tip for you guys that you can take away from this aspect of the video is when working with heat, use some insulated gloves. You will be glad that you did. Enjoy.